Okay, so hello guys, I am here to shoot a vlog. So I am shooting a vlog because I have got a task to shoot a vlog that my sir gave, because I'm a student of NFL, and sir gave me a task that I have to shoot a vlog that where I have went, like I have shown you in the previous vlog, that I have went to Fulbag Park. Now I am in Italian Park. So as well, it is a park, so it will, there are also many much swings, and there are many people who, and there are so many aunties that are sitting in a round circle, and aunties and gossiping. So so if I have come there, I will swing one swing, and many children are playing. Many children are playing. Some are playing football, some are playing uh, basketball, and many more. Most of the swings are in broke, so I have to be careful. No, I don't know. uh, Wait, can you please? Okay, so yes, yes. one child failed because of that thing, because they do the, because of their carelessness. And yes, okay, so as here is also a nature, so I love nature. And yeah, it is a park, so there will be like many trees, many big trees. And like the view of Kilagate Fort is visible to here. So it is that, have you seen that before? That have you seen, what was I saying, that have you seen Kilagate Fort? That at night, it looks so beautiful at night from the top. As I live near the Kilagate Fort, Gwalior Fort. So I have visited many times there, and I can see it from my home only, from my terrace, and it looks so much beautiful, like so much beautiful. And yes, there are many fountains behind me, like it go very much up and down, very much up, then down, then up, then down. Then now the families are very sitting here beside behind me. The Because everyone come here for the peace, and children are playing their sport. So some aunties are so playing their badminton and that all. And there is a dog, and uncles are sitting there, uh, and watching the fountain that behind me. That is a beautiful mountain fountain, sorry. There is a beautiful fountain, and there that side also many people are there to watch the. I should go like this, that it will capture the beauty of the fountain. Yeah, it looks. I think it looks many much better than the more Gwalior. I like if you come there, you would like the most this fountain only. Like I have seen here that when I come here, I see that I saw that one dog was drinking water from it, but I think it is unsafe for the dog, because uh, okay, so that was like, I feel so good that the stranger came to me. They asked that you are making vlogs. So I said yes. My sir gave me a task that I am from NFL, and my sir gave me a task that make a vlog, that I have to go to the park and I have to make the vlog. So I am making it. So you are making so good vlogs. So they appreciated me, and I feel so good that I feel also so proud that someone appreciated me for my vlog. And that I am making so much good vlog. Then they said that do you have any channel, YouTube channel? So I said no, I do not have. So I said that my father has. Oh wow, it's like हेलो लाइक शेयर भाई अलग ही है. So guys, one thing also happened to me that I was there and once that you have also seen that one child and she said that like share subscribe and okay like share subscribe guys. Okay, so I was there and there was so much beautiful, like the drops were coming to me and it looks so much good. The water is also there, so it looks very much good. And yeah, like all the park is looking good. The water like this is, like it goes up and it is coming down, so it is looking so good that yes. Okay. Uh, so we should go there. We should go also. We should go there also. We should take a round of all the things. Okay. Then I think so. I have meeting my NIFL friends. So I don't know they are or they are not. Okay. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.